Speedway for fall mats. This is a 3-day drift event. Oh shit, he just liked me. I did not sign up for the first day, so today I'm just spectating simply because the event started at 1 and I'm not gonna get there till 6:30, which gives me about 3 sessions, and I'm semi-limited on tire. Just don't want to run out of tire this weekend, you know? I want to still have a little bit left, but I will be sending it for you guys.
2 hours later.
We have made it, boys and girls. Safe and sound. Look at this. They already got the tent set up. Oh my God. Matt, what's up, buddy?
Buddy, how you doing?
Hi, Scott. How you doing, bud? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. He bought a bunch of tires. Kyle?
What up?
Oh, dude. It sounds... Yeah? You drove on it already? It looks...
Like one session.
I only got to see a little bit of it, but I want to go see the rest of it. Ah, it's nice and chilly out too, man. Yeah, I brought one. I'm gonna set it up probably right with you guys right here. Want to just do it right now while we're... When's your next sesh?
We have to go to the driver's meeting, so right now.
Look at that. Look at that. SSRs? Oh, sorry, bro. My bad. That thing looks good, though. Oh! God. Oh, my God. Hottest car here, guaranteed. I guess we can take a good look at the track, figure out what layout it is. Get it! Like I said, installing underglow is a nightmare. His shit won't work, my shit won't work. I kind of like how it blinks though.
I think they were watching me. I guess if like they notice you're doing good, they'll like watch and see how good you're doing.
Well, I'll try doing good right out the bat. I'm not really that sketched out. I thought it was going to be around the bank, and it's more like on the inside of the track, which I like a lot. But the Jersey barriers are going to be like...
Dude, I got really close. I'll have to show you a video when I come back.
All right. sick out here. Nothing but love for this track. I'm really excited to try a new track tomorrow. The neon is sick. I wish, it's a shame only half of mine works. Oh, I just don't even know what to record. Dan? How you doing, bud?
What's up, man?
Killing it, though.
Yeah, man.
You having fun out there? I haven't got to drive.
It's a lot of fun. His car blew a turbo, so we're trying to find
No. I'm sorry, bro.
Hey, if we can find one for a reasonable price, we're gonna put one on so you can drift it.
Yeah, you might as well. I mean, at least you got 2 more days.
Listen around for anyone that has spares.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Post in the group, and then I found some guy in Zelianople. We saw him one. I'd drive down and get it. But if someone has one, I'll swap it out.
Absolutely. All right, Dan, I'm gonna keep running around. I'll see you around, all right?
All right, man, I'll be out there.
Yes, sir. Have fun. Got the tent all set up. A little hot. Live on the scene, Dan just broke his trans. It just locked up right there. It is done for. Really upsetting because I love Dan's car. Wow, this thing's got a lot more torque. Dude, I can't believe the pros shred this. It's gripped up for sure. You can feel it. You can feel it in the car. It's just like, it's ready to go. Oh, that was sick. This thing's fun. It's got the right amount of power. Turbo LS Miata. Wild. So much better.
Oh yeah, dude, that line was perfect.
Yeah, that exactly. The the wider you go, the easier it is to transition.
Yep.
You went nice and wide that time. Dude, this thing's like butter.
I know.
Oh!
Awesome.
Oh! That was fun. Literally, these tires are a year old, man, and he's finally changing them. Yeah, I can't get enough of that car. Back over there. M52. You gotta love an E30 interior. It's getting too dark to shoot. Damn.